What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shot Jones, aka Mr. LBE. Either one is fine with me, okay? But listen though, starting this video, this is a special video, man. Cause man, I ain't gonna lie, usually I have my baby girl down here every other couple weeks, and right now it's been about a month. Man, like a month, you know what I'm saying, since I've been with her, you know what I'm saying. Of course, we always FaceTime. We FaceTime every night, you know what I'm saying. That's gang, you know what I'm saying. It's my baby, you know what I'm saying. But being with her, seeing her, it's just a different story, you know what I'm saying. I need my baby with me. Man, I need my baby with me, man. It's just a different vibe, man. Y'all gonna see, man. She really brings that joy out in me. You feel me? Like, for real, she brings that life to my life. You know what I'm saying? Without her, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's pretty boring. It's pretty dead. It's pretty lame. Man, I used to be lit. You know what I'm saying? I had kids, and no lit no more. But then, I had my baby, Rakaya. She made me lit again when I'm with her. I need her by my side. She is my little angel. If you got kids, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you don't. You know what I'm saying? Everybody claim they so happy, single, all that BS. But when it get around to them holidays, and you know what I'm saying, they be seeing people with their kids interacting, just buying them things, doing things, then oh, I wish I had. Yeah, I bet you do. I bet you do. Yeah. Stop acting like you don't. You know what I'm saying? And keep it a buck. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody wants a family. Everybody wants a little piece of them to look at, to care for, to mold, to guide through this life, and you know what I'm saying, to let them advance faster than you did. You know what I'm saying? Use your experiences in life and what you've been through to guide them so that they can skip major steps and elevate. Man, like, I don't know about you, but that's what I'm on. You know what I'm saying? Mr. LBE, that's why they call me that. Lead by example. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? We breaking big generational curses in the fam, and I'm leading my next generation to the top. There's only way, there's only one, like CJ on 32 say, man, it's only one way from the bottom, man, that's up. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, yo, you cannot stop that. We going up. That's a fact. We just gonna a little pause on that one, because like, it's a fact. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, part of this lead by example, man, I like to work out, man. So I'm gonna be putting y'all on some nice little workouts. You know what I'm saying? You probably can't see it right now. I got this shirt on it, but like, literally, I really started my fitness journey about really, it's been about a year now, about a good year, and major results, bro. I'd have been ups and downs. I mean, I've worked out before in my life, on and off, but nothing consistent like this, and nothing really in tune and just focused. You know what I'm saying? And really diving in on macros and things like that. Like, I've been getting into all of that. I'm gonna put y'all on game because, of course, it's a lot of people out there, especially like myself, that can really just eat anything. We just got a good metabolism. It's fast. You can eat anything, and you can work out, and you're going to see some results. You're going to be a little swole or whatever, you know what I'm saying, fit, if that you want to call it. But if you start counting them calories, that fat, that protein, and you're getting the specific amounts, bruh, it take your body to a whole different level, man. And I know it's not a lot of black people that actually do this, you know what I'm saying, that actually focus on things like this, and pay attention and eat clean, because eating clean is a part of it. And like, I don't know, shit, maybe that's my purpose, you know what I'm saying, to put y'all on game, because man, if you don't know it, bro, you a king, you a god, you a queen, you know what I'm saying? Treat your body like such. And when I say you, I mean the spirit inside of you. That's who you are, you know what I'm saying? So this vessel, this avatar that we have, this body, what we call it, that we bring through this life, why not have that resemble who we are, what we are as kings, as queens, as gods? You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Come on, man. Real talk, man. Like they say, man, when you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? I feel great. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Big bless. You know what I'm saying? Big L's. You know what I'm saying? So listen, I'm gonna cut y'all with the talk. I'm going in for a couple of minutes, but like, I really just want to express that to y'all. Let y'all know what we doing for the day. As of right now, I'm up. I usually don't eat before my workout. I like to get my workout in the morning. I know everybody don't got that same type of time where you can do whatever you want in the morning, but like to wake up, I try to do the 12-8, so don't eat before 12, don't eat after 8. You know what I'm saying? That's a new thing that I'm on. But right now, of course, I wake up, I get my protein shake, and eat some water, eat some fruit. Sometimes some oatmeal or whatever before my workout because I need them calories, and then I get it in. So right now I got my I'm off of my protein shake, my pre-workout, and a little bit of oatmeal. You know, give me some food, whatever, get me right. But let me stop talking, man. Get up in here because it is already like 8:30, and my flight leaves at 1 o'clock. So, trying to get this quick little workout in and then catch this flight. Go see baby girl. So, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get up in here, man. Tip when doing these, as you can see, when I started off, I had to switch it up because the pad was too high. You want that pad to hit like right at the top of your like right where your ankle. It wasn't hitting that spot, so I had to adjust it. But I don't know about you, I like to start out with the leg. Leg extensions. I'm tripping right now. I usually don't talk during my workout, so it's a little different, and I probably won't be talking no more after this. I'm gonna just get to it. I'll show y'all a couple of clips, and I'll put the description below so you see the whole workout. But I'm gonna start out with these, you know, a couple little warm-up sets, and then get straight into it. After leg curls, we'll go to the squats. Hit them quads real hard. Just gonna dive real deep today, man. Get it in real quick. We'll jump on this flight, man. Stick with me. Bruh, finally made it to this damn airport. Bruh, this dog is so heavy. I'm gonna drop nobody off, man. I ain't gonna lie. Walking through this airport, this heavy ass dog is not it. I got like, I still got like an hour, so shit. Kick back and wait, man. Alright, gang, so I just got off that long flight. See, I'm with my baby. With my baby girl, Miss Rakaya. Yeah, big raw squad. You know what I'm saying? How we do. You know. So right now, you know, I got baby girl with me. Definitely have others, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go pick up the other 3. Take them out to eat, you feel me? And just chop it up, spend some quality time, you feel me? We're gonna be going to this restaurant called Revival. So I figured I'd do a little review for y'all, you feel me? Show y'all what this Minnesota food like. So if you was ever planning on coming, I don't know why you would come here, but like if you was ever planning on taking a nice vacation to Minnesota, I'm gonna hopefully I'm gonna put y'all on to a good restaurant. It's something that transpired after I left, you know what I'm saying? I've never been there before, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see how it is, you feel me? Yeah, man, I'm on the way to get the kids. I'm probably like 15 minutes away or whatever from their mom's house. So yeah, man, we gotta go pick them up. I know Rara's excited. She ain't seen her brother and sister. Man, it's been, man, literally, they were with me for the summer. I dropped them off, and I'm pretty sure, well, you seen Shawty though, right? Yeah, you seen Shawty. Yeah, she ain't seen her sisters in like 3 months, bro. It's been a while. Partially, you know, of course, that's because of me. So I had to take accountability for that because I'm not in the same state as them. So yeah, I know for a fact they, you know, my baby moms, both of them could link up and make that happen. But one works a lot, the other one, yeah. So, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, as usual, I'm going to put that together. I'm going to be that person to bring my kids together and show them, you know what I'm saying, the importance of sticking together, staying close, you know what I'm saying? That's always been one of the major things I wanted to accomplish as being a parent, is just showing my kids that, you know what I'm saying, like, you guys should be as tight as possible, you feel me? Be as tight as possible and really just take care of each other, you feel me? There's nobody on this earth that is going to take care of you, or it shouldn't be, like your immediate family, you feel me? And if you're blessed enough to have more than one sibling, take advantage of that, man. Pair up, be a team, be a real team, bro. Like, there should be no reason why, and I'm gonna put them onto this when they get a little bit older, you know what I'm saying? There shouldn't be no reason why y'all can't live together, split the rent at a crib where y'all own. The oldest should own it, of course. My daughter, Jakayla, she's 17 now, which is crazy. I got a 17-year-old daughter, but she's gonna be owning the house, and she's gonna allow her brothers and sisters to come live there. You know, they're only a couple years apart. When they get a little older, I'm gonna show them how to establish this credit, how to build and that foundation. You feel me? And man, everybody gonna be a homeowner in my family. Watch this. Watch that. We are really breaking generational curses right now. I'm not playing no games, bro. This is what I was sitting here to do. I feel like this is my mission on this earth. You feel me? So, you know, unfortunately, my dad ain't do this type of thing for me. But like I said, this is my position. It's what I'm supposed to do. My mom instilled me with a certain type of knowledge, a certain type of love for my family. You feel me? So I'm gonna make it do with my immediates. You feel me? Rah. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna keep boring y'all. You know, I just like to give game when I can. You feel me? Mr. Lee, by example, LBE, that's how I do. Yeah, but it's kind of dangerous driving like this. I really shouldn't be. I'm gonna get me a mount, so don't get on me. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to the kids' crib. I'll be there in like 10 minutes. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to their house, introduce you to my babies. And yeah, we're gonna get some good food, have a good time. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. Big LBE gang, big Raw gang, you feel me? I'm pick up Rashad. You know, my son, my little twin, a little light-skinned twin. We all Raw, so you feel me? Big Raw gang. So yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back in a second. You know what I'm saying? Stick with me here. see you. And I brought your jeans for you.
How do you get that type of case?
Whoa, you do look like Jaja.
I do?
What the heck?
Dad, how do you get that type of case?
From the mall.
Like the ring? The ring?
Yeah, from the mall. From the mall. Here, you should probably put these in the crib. Excuse me, Rara. Oh, you almost got smacked.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, them is hard. Them is hard.
way better
Them is hard right there. Yeah, them is hard right there, boy. Aww. Got Jacayla. We ain't seen Jacayla in a year and a half. Alright, it's been like 3 months. I need hugs, bro. Dang, man, I get no hugs, bro. I need hugs, bro. You see how I miss you. Well, ain't got no coat on, though. It's freezing. Damn, it's full of hair. You might want to... Yeah, you might want to hit him a couple of times, bro. What the heck? Yeah, you might want to hit him. That's a lot of fur, my boy. All right, let's go. All right, in the car. I gotta run to Costco real quick. I gotta go convert my my personal to a business. Really shouldn't be getting out without my coat. It's freezing. That's why I get myself sick. No, it's big cold out here. It's big cold out here. Came back from dropping them dogs off. That was a long ass draw. And North Branch, like almost like up north. It's like an hour drive. Right, we are with that gang. Boy, y'all look like twins back there. What the hell? That's crazy, man. Alright, so we finna go to Revival.
What you want?
This is Jacayla's choice, so if it's nasty,
it's so bussin', and I'm gonna put them all on.
That's what they all say. And then you eat and you be like,
Trust. I went there once and I dreamed about them.
which one did you go to though? You went to the one in St. Paul or the one in Minneapolis? Cause I got, okay, that's the one I was gonna go to. I gotta go to this Costco real quick. Yeah, that shit is definitely far. I was thinking about going to Mama Sheila's, but that one soul food spot that we used to go to in Minneapolis, where we like go through that line and grab a plate, but I don't know. I just don't like their customer service, to be 100.
Yeah, it's good in Revival because it's all white people serving you, so it's kind of funny. Because soul food.
That sucks. Soul food served by the white folks. We gonna see, my boy. We gonna see. Woo! What y'all do yesterday for Thanksgiving? Stay home? Did your mom cook?
Yeah.
It was bussin'?
Yeah.
Say that with a straight face? It was bussin'?
It was bussin'.
Come on, man. I know for a fact they mom can't cook. What y'all had? Spaghetti?
No.
Let me stop. Let me
We
stop.
had mashed potatoes and corn and gravy and green beans and stuffing. And my grandma made her the chip dip that she was making.
Y'all ain't had no turkey?
What? No, don't nobody eat that.
Oh. Okay. I mean, I'll be 100. I only eat it on Thanksgiving.
It's nasty.
I only eat turkey on sandwiches.
Yeah, for a fact. What you call it? The Firehouse Subs. That's like the only turkey sandwich I really eat.
We got over that.
That'd be busting. All right, y'all. Well, I ain't finna keep holding this camera, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the restaurant. Here. Got the sun all in the way. Gang, you know.
I'm getting a cheeseburger.
A cheeseburger.
Yeah, because the chicken tenders.
My boy did not just come over down for a cheeseburger.
Daddy, I want chicken tenders.
You want chicken tenders? Okay. That's cool for you. We get chicken tenders.
The kid meals are good because they're like the same size as like the dog meals. Just let you know.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. She don't eat much at all, so I'll probably give me some chicken tenders too.
Chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah. But that's not.
Yeah, I low key want to try the chicken and waffles though. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm trying to stay away from the sugar. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get right. Huh?
You're gonna live your life with no sugar?
Nah, you got. I just cut it out for a certain period of time. It'd be like 2 weeks or something.
How come you eat those little chocolate things that
Talking about the M&Ms? Girl, I ain't had no M&Ms in like a year.
Yes, you have.
Oh, I did get some of your Halloween ones. Yeah, she did. You don't bust it.
Right away, you just want a minute to take a look.
Yeah, just a minute. We'll be ready. What you gonna get, my boy? Chicken tender. Rah want chicken tender. You gonna get chicken tenders too?
Oh, look at my menu.
It's like 3 things.
Bro, we could have went to Chick-fil-A for this.
3 things on this menu.
All right, we want to look at this one?
They got, there's mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, collard greens.
If you gonna eat it though, don't waste it. Don't order a grown man meal and don't eat that meal. You know what I'm saying? If we gonna go out to eat, we gonna eat it. You know what I'm saying?
Chicken and waffles.
I want some wings.
Cheese curry.
Barbecue
Wings.
Some wings? What kind? They got Cajun
BBQ.
dill pickle. You get a barbecue?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, the sweet chili be busting too. I ain't had a sweet chili wings in a minute. Yeah, I might grab them sweet chili wings. Oh, they got that banana cream pie.
Yeah, what is Hush Puppies? What is that?
Hush puppies. I think it's like potato inside. All right, don't quote me on that, cause I really don't. I don't know. I think it's like a fried potato.
You're gonna go with that?
Something like yeah, it's like a fried. It's like a croquette, I think. I don't know. I had a couple hush puppies at home. But every time they bark, I be like, hush. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to them pups at home, man. I still got 6 left. Grab a pup, okay? We need to get them to good homes, all right? Help a brother out. Rehome in these great, lovable, likable, well-mannered puppies. You know what I'm saying? That's all I produce. You know what I'm saying? Right, let me see your drawing. Ooh, that's nice.
Giving Bob Ross.
Like it. Look like the Chick-fil-A one. I feel you. Where's yours, my boy?
Yeah, Daddy. Too cool for school.
It's a white one. Zelly over there, strong as hell. This nigga got all the crayons on the table. You pressing way too hard. You too? Oh my, yeah. You guys press way too hard. Yeah, it definitely don't need to be that hard. It's a crayon. It's not a. Y'all act like y'all trying to edge it in some stone or something, bro. Hieroglyphics.
It's okay. I have crayons at home.
Right. Yeah, Yeah, I went through that closet at my house. You got a lot of crayons, a lot of markers, paint. You got like 1,000 stickers in there. Yeah. Every time we go to Five Below, you grab stickers. We got like 1,000. No more stickers. Shout out to Five Below, because I don't know what I'd do without you. Yo, for her birthday, I said, Rara, where you want to go? I'm going to buy you all the gifts you want. Where you want to go? Five Below. I said, oh, thank you. Man, I'm talking about we tore that store up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everything. Yeah, didn't we? Everything, huh?
I got
You're
two.
supposed to say Tarjay. You want to go to Tarjay?
No. You know what I'm saying? You on the right path, okay, baby? You did great. Five Below is a wonderful store, you know what I'm saying? And we got lots of toys. We had toys to play for forever, you know what I'm
Yeah, because I got two of those squishy piggies.
saying? Yeah. And we went to Crayola. Yeah, it was cool. Have you ever had that cornbread?
Yeah, no.
You know, like, yeah, it'd be iffy with the cornbread. Certain places,
It's too dry for me.
So it looks like I'm gonna grab the wings with some mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I do kind of want some greens. Them greens was busting last night, bro. Oh my god. All right, we're ready. All right.
I'm done.
Barbecue wings, chicken tenders.
Fries.
Oh yeah, chicken tenders and fries.
She wants chicken tenders and mashed potatoes, and I want the mac and cheese and the double dip tenders, but the spicy one.
Tennessee style.
Yes.
And then I want the sweet chili wings and a side of macaroni. And we can share that. You can get some of them.
I got some side plates and side sauce in here too.
Perfect. Thank you.
Daddy, look.
Ooh, let me see. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Why they start popping up in my apartment though? They be all downstairs. I'm waking up. Yeah, roosters on top of my car, all type of stuff. It'd be crazy out there.
Let's play TikTok.
Well, Tom, I need to go to the bathroom too though. Y'all gotta give me a second. I got to go pee.
Okay, well,
Come on, it's that door over here. Rara, you gotta go too? Y'all go to the bathroom? Yeah? Okay, come on. You go with her. Oh, you go either one? Okay. Alright, give me a second, man. We need to go to the bench, yeah. I don't lie, that looks good. Sweet chili. Big bussin'. Big bussin'. Look at the wings, bro. I might have to get y'all a A+ rating, though. 5 star. 5 star. I think y'all came through with this one, though. No cap. No cap. Okay. Yeah.
and the pickles are good, but I don't like pickles like that. Pickles are good.
They do look good.
And go.
Alright, well, I'm ready to smack. Alright, all the food is here, looking good. I ain't gonna lie, the mashed potatoes look big bustin'. For real. This macaroni and cheese, though. Bruh, what is that? Oh my god. You know what?
It's a little hot right now, but you can some.
Yeah. Ooh, wait. The mac and cheese look crazy, though. I ain't gonna lie. So let me dig into this. We gonna get back with y'all when we leave. Yeah, go ahead. All right, Jacayla is learning how to drive right now.
Oh yeah, good turn.
Good turn. Press the gas. There you go. Okay.
Where am I going?
All right, now when you get
Am I
up here,
going the right speed?
so you're gonna take a right up here, right? So remember I said you gotta hit it up. So when you get close, yep, there you go. You slow down, hit it up. All right, slow down, so you can take this right. Slow down. Yeah, slow down.
Okay.
Slow down.
Okay.
Baby girl,
I'm trying.
you just hit that like a NASCAR driver.
Where am I going?
Right.
All right, go straight. No, don't look back. All right. This is safe, guys. I'm not gonna let her crash. All right, get on the right side of the road, though. Bro, look at this nigga. All right, right side of the road. Okay, stay on this side. You good? Just go straight. I'm gonna tell you when to take a left. Yeah, man, this is driving 101. You know what I'm saying? All right, so slow down. You gonna take this left? Hit your blinker. Slow
Oh my
down.
gosh, you're telling me too.
Yeah, we have brakes on the car for a reason. There you go. All right, stop right here. Let me show you something real quick. Stop.
Sorry, guys.
All right. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me get her this 101 in turning real quick. That's for y'all too. So when you turn it, you never cross your hands like that. 'Cause-
You're supposed to go like this, right?
yes.
Hand over hand.
Hand over hand. There you go. Because if you do this, you mess around and get stuck like that and crash somewhere or hit the gas and boom. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, don't do that. So always hand over hand, all right?
Hand over hand.
Yes, hand over hand. All right, so now you can go. You see her old truck right there?
The
That's-
tan one?
Yeah, that's the driveway. You gotta work on your gas pedal, your acceleration.
I don't really know.
It just, actually go around here. We're gonna drive for a little bit more. Cause I want you to get used to it. You gotta get used to the gas pedal. You gotta get used to the brake.
Keep on going.
Just go this way and we're gonna turn around. All right, pull in a driveway. Right here. Ooh, okay. Now, keep going. Oh, actually, stop, because you ain't got your acceleration right. I don't want you to hit it. All right, so now we're going to reverse. Now, listen, I'm going to show you how to, you got to learn how to back out. So when you reverse, turn your wheel to the right. When you turn your wheel to the right, it's going to swing the car around this way, and we're going to go back that way. All right. Turn. Oh my God. See, that's why I said turn. You're not listening. Stop. Go back. We're gonna do it again.
Wait.
So before you go this time, make sure the wheel is turned all the way, okay? Boom. Now, turn the wheel all the way. All the way. Keep going until it don't turn no more. Yep. Yes. Keep going.
Hand over.
Boom.
Okay.
Now reverse. And now watch how the car turns. Up. Yeah. Now back up. Now hit the gas. Just a little bit. Yep. Now you see how the car's turning? Yeah, there you go. So now we backed up out of there. Now steer. Yep. Turn it straight. And that's your backup cam. So, see, now y'all got the luxury of having backup cameras when I started driving. We had no backup camera, all right? You just got to look. Now y'all got it right there. Boom. So easy. There you go. Hand over hand. Ooh, stay on the right side, though, babe.
Okay, I keep forgetting. I'm sorry.
Because if there was a car coming here, we'd be dead. All right, so go this way.
Oh, I see the moon.
Good. Now we're going to turn in the driveway.
This whole thing, her driveway?
Yeah, on the right side. Perfect.
Dang.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm not even.
I mean, it's not perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna teach you something that's good too. While you're learning, so put your foot on the brake, one foot on the brake, and one foot on the gas. Put your foot on the brake first with your left.
It's
Yep.
on my.
And now put your foot on the gas. Now slightly ease off of it, off the brake, while you holding down the gas just a little bit, so it just rolls. You feel me? Because we're on the hill, so you gotta go up. So you can feel it, kind of. There you
Oh
go.
God, you're a good pro.
Now park. There you go. See, now you get the feel for it. So you you gotta kind of understand how fast the car is gonna go from just a little press. You know what I'm saying? Once you get that down, it's super easy. Well, we made it. We didn't die. You know what I'm saying? They're driving 101. She has her permits, okay? So it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, we gotta open that garage. Hit the garage door opener up there on top. Yes, sir. Oh man, I can't show y'all too much, man. You don't be knowing where we living, you know what I'm saying? Little shiesty boys, been on see that. Woo! What is this? Oh, that's some donuts you was talking about, huh? What is it? What kind of donuts is them though? Gotta be some Asian donuts. I ain't never seen all them sesame seeds on the donut.
I'm gonna try these on.
Huh?
I'm gonna try these on.
Yeah, try them on. Super dope.
Daddy, you wanna go see what I can do now?
Alright, man. Well, shoot. Just got back to the crib. We're gonna kick it, man. I'm probably whoop their ass in some Uno, you know what I'm saying? How we do, you know what I'm saying? And the night off right, man. But I'm gonna let y'all go with this one, man. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You feel me? And stay updated with what we doing here, all right? And I know I kind of started out with that workout in the beginning of the video, so you know, I was definitely in a rush trying to catch this flight and all that, and I didn't get to show y'all the whole workout, but I'm gonna leave description. I'm gonna leave the workout in the description below so y'all can check it out if you do want to get into that workout. And if workout is something that you guys are interested in seeing from me and you want me to show y'all some routines, put that in the comments and I'll start posting some workout videos for y'all and put y'all on game and teach y'all that too. You know what I'm saying? But it's been a pleasure. I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute. Stay tuned to the channel. We out.
Stand strong on my 10 toes.
Setting the tone, accomplishing goals, you get it, I lead by example. Fresh out the Bing, I hopped in the Benz, you get it, I lead by example. I used to do fall, but now I'm legit with the cars, I lead by example. I souped up the whip, dropped the fit, my nigga.